Hello, in this video I will show you how you can insert SIM card to your OnePlus Nord 5. So first you have to take your OnePlus Nord 5 and on the bottom you can locate this SIM card slot. Now you have to take this SIM eject tool which comes inside OnePlus Nord 5 box and put it inside like that, inside this little hole. Now it should click, so take it off. And here you can find two SIM card slots, SIM2 and also SIM1. So now take your nano SIM card and place it like drawing says. You can locate cut on the SIM card, so you have to place it like that. Also this should click, and now take your phone back and place it just like that. And that's all. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.